Let's see a couple of more examples of good line charts. In this case, we have month-wise sales in Delhi and Mumbai. We'll select the range, Alt F1, change the chart type to line. I am normally using Alt F1 because that makes it quick to add a chart and we can simply change the chart type to whichever chart type we want. We'll use our blue and orange type and click OK, change the design, and here we have the chart. Let me add minor grid lines also for horizontal axis. I'm going to select grid lines and enable minor horizontal lines. So this line chart gives us trend of sales in Delhi and Mumbai over the last 12 months. If you see, Delhi has been primarily below 500,000 level except for a couple of months, which is month 3 and month 9. Otherwise, it is primarily been around 100 to 300k mark. Mumbai started with around 1.5 million mark and then it had a downward trend till month 9, and then the sales shot up and is now showing an increasing trend. And we can see that coincidentally in month 9 they had more or less equal sales, and we can see that in this table 659,000 and 655,000 of sales in month 9. So a line chart clearly gives you a trend of any data over a period of time. In this example, it was a trend of sales over the last 12 months. Another good example to consider for line chart is runs scored in a cricket match. So let's consider runs scored in a T20 match during the first 10 overs. So I'm going to select this range, press Alt F1, change the chart type to line chart, and we will change the design. Let's add vertical grid lines also in this case, as they will be useful. I'm sure cricket lovers have seen this kind of chart on TV during the match. As you can see, team 2, which is represented by orange line, started slow. However, somewhere in the 7th over, they took over and had an increasing run rate by the end of 10th over. So this shows that you can very cleverly use line chart. The other examples are racing cars time versus distance chart or time versus lap chart, stock market fluctuations, rainfall trend, heart rate graph, and much more. To summarize, line chart is probably the best option if you want to display the trend or behavior of data over a period of time.